DJN TV.
Federal government don endorse the talk when Sheikh Ahmed Gumi get with herdsmen. My correct person there, I welcome you to yet another edition of TJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel where they give you all the breaking and happening story there for inside Nigeria and even around the world safe. The matter wey we carry come kpakpa na one matter wey be like say e don dey shele for a while now. E concern dis Nama people and their clash with not just farmers but the things wey dem dey see dey do for road, sometimes for night and sometimes maybe for daytime, wey get to do with banditry and kidnapping. One Islamic cleric wey dey call Sheikh Gumi, he don meet with some of the herdsmen, don discuss with them, and he don come outside to give a recommendation to the federal government as to wetin dem go do to fit put end to this wahala wey Nama people dey cause. Sheikh Gumi say he don waka around the country to meet with some of these herdsmen, and he say the reason why dem dey commit the crime wey dem dey do say na because dem no go school and because dem dey feel say dem no get access or right to the national cake. Well, for wetin he tell news people, he confirm say yes, these bandits dem wey dey do all this kurukere for road and some places there, say true dem be herdsmen o. He say but no be only Fulani people dem na be the herdsmen. He say some other tribes they still join this Fulani people, they still dey do the herdsmen. This Sheikh Gumi come talk say no be only these Fulani men na be the herdsmen, like as I don talk. So he say sometimes when he follow the talk, he say for interaction with them, he confirm say this bandit dem they be herdsmen true. And no government, he talk say go wan waste a military to arrest or to permit these people dem. He say the best thing na to enter, dialogue, peace dialogue with them. Make government for embrace them. He say as we dey see this herdsmen, Fulani herdsmen as criminal, say na so dem sef dey see the government sef as criminal. Say government fit reorient dem, change their thinking mentality, rehabilitate dem, help dem to merge well with the other people for inside the communities dem wey dem dey. He say imagine say people dey for inside bush, they no know where to go, they no know where to carry their wife go if their wife wan born, they no get hospital, they no get access to education, they just dey inside bush. He say na we dey push them into criminality. He say the best thing na make government for take care of them, educate them and change their orientation about the way that they see things. He say because they wan protect themselves from military, now they no make police arrest, they no make people dey they put bullets or granite for inside their body. Say na im make dem dey go buy weapons too wey dem go take attack the military back. He say and for them to fit take buy all these things the way they wan use to do their banditry work, dem sef need money. Na im make dem dey always dey kidnap people. They demand for big money wey dem go take release the victims dem. He say wetin make dem dey harsh to their victims, say na because dem need money dem go take buy medicine and wey dem go take buy other things wey dem go fit use to do their work well. He say the government don deceive them several times, wey government go promise dem say no worry, we go forgive una. Say but at the end of the day, government go gather all their leaders, he go permit all their leaders dem. Say well, they don dey ready to drop their weapons now. Say but they say before they go drop their weapon, government go get to give them amnesty and e go allow them to mix with country people again. He said they want make dem give their weapon to government on the condition say government go dey pay them, go dey give them amnesty money. He say and only through rehabilitation we go fit take break this circle. And another thing government go still do, because say the only work wey dem sabi do na to dey carry nama dey waka, government go still give them animals there, make dem still dey carry the waka. Concerning where dem take dey get their weapons, Sheikh Gumi talk say he no go fit challenge them to ask them say where una dey get all these things from, say because he no wan dey act like the military wey we get. He say wetin really surprise am for these bandits dem be say they keep to their word. If they tell you say make you come, they no go do you anything, they really mean as say they no do you anything. He say they get leaders, they get hierarchy and they get honor for wetin they dey do. He say make Nigerians embrace peace and allow dem to get share of di national cake. Say to dem, dem get nothing at all from di national cake. So Gumi come advise federal government to quickly embrace dis herdsmen before ideological terrorists go embrace dem. Dem no just be nomadic o, say dem be just nomadic herdsmen, dem no be terrorists. Say but very soon, if government no embrace dem, say all dis terrorist pipo go begin use dem take dey fight Nigeria. E say part of their ignorance be dem no understand the effect of the actions wey dem dey do. Dem no know wetin dem dey do. Na so e talk. E say dem no know say wetin dem dey do so, e dey affect all the other innocent Fulani pipo dem. When dem ask am wetin e think about pipo wey don dey suffer from the hands of dis herdsmen, e tok say government go come in to compensate victims of all dis herdsmen wahala from both sides, both the herdsmen and other Nigerians dem wey don dey lose their family members to kidnapping. All dis one na wetin Gumi tok say im tok with dis herdsmen when e go follow dem discuss. E say dem no know wetin dem dey do. Dem just dey feel say wetin dem dey do na just to get money, to take get weapon to take protect theirself from military. Na im dem dey kidnap pipo, dey collect big money. And e tok say dem no know say wetin dem dey do dey affect other pipo, and make government compensate pipo wey dem don harm, and make government still compensate the herdsmen too. Nigeria Minister for Information and Culture Lai Mohammed, im don come outside come tok say federal government dey very aware of the talks wey di Gumi get with bandits wey dey terrorize the country, especially for Zamfara State. E say when e no dey unusual for the cleric to act as bridge between the government and the bandits dem. E tok say if federal government go fit give Niger Delta armed militants amnesty, come integrate dem into the society, dat mean say federal government too go still look immediately into the action wey the Fulani herdsmen dey take, and im go provide dem with reasonable livelihood, including jobs, money dem take start business, training, building clinic and school for dem. All dis one na wetin di Gumi tok, and Lai Mohammed still support am too for dis matter. Lai Mohammed come still go ahead to tok say when you wan resolve issue like dis, say you go need to use a lot of backup channel. Well, e no dey unusual for dis respected cleric wey get confidence of approaching dis bad Jibiti pipo dem to talk with dem. Say as a matter of fact, federal government dey ready to lis ten to Gumi and the recommendation dem wey e give more than the armed bandits dem. E say in fact, since the Fulani herdsmen believe Gumi well, federal government sef go still take a word too, so that dem go make sure say dem go fit work together to bring about peace for the country Nigeria. Meanwhile, the governor of Kano State, he no wan just hear dis matter at all. The matter vex am well when e hear tok say dis Gumi don go meet herdsmen pipo wey dey cause wahala. As a matter of fact, im mobilize DSS go dis guy house. Dem go put dis guy under house arrest, kpakam. Dem say no wan hear anything at all. In fact, how you take know where the herdsmen dey? Dis na one question pipo still don dey ask o. The Kano State government don still come outside come help us ask the question. How you take know where you go take meet dis herdsmen? If not be say im get connection with dem before, how you take see dem? All of dem talk finish, e then come outside, even gather some of dem too, all of dem sit down together, dey go talk dis matter, a form of news, abi press conference, abi wetin call. Dey gather together, everybody dey lis ten to wetin dem dey talk, because dey even dey recommend say make government lis ten to dis pipo wey dey cause Jibiti all around the country. No be for only Kano, no be for only Zamfara, no be for north o. Dem don even do the matter even reach the Edo State sef, for Oyo local government, when dem destroy one farm wey be say e produce wey dey for there dey worth over 600 million naira. Dem destroy am, put fire, scatter everything. The farm get pineapple, plantain, cocoa, cassava, many things there. Dem destroy everything. How you wan take talk say dis pipo no know wetin dem dey do? How you go say person wey just dey destroy things wey pipo get, dey kidnap pipo, dey collect money, sometimes dem go even kpoof the pipo for the matter. You dey talk say dem no know wetin dem dey do? Wetin you dey try talk? Dem no dey reason, dem no dey think. Dem no know. In fact, dis matter e vex Kano State governor well. Now e say uya DSS wanna go lock that guy inside house, he must not come outside. They give the guy house arrest, then they come outside anyway. Now for the matter wey happen for Edo State wey concern dis herdsmen people now, the Edo State government, the DSS, everybody, they don't dey aware of these activities wey dey go on, but they never fit still talk anything because e be like say government dey listen more to dis Fulani herdsmen than the way they listen to Nigerians dem. E never too tey wey they ban cryptocurrency, never too tey wey they say if they send money come for us or abroad, we no fit collect am for naira, we must go bank, go collect the money in foreign currency, dem go find we take change am for dis same aboki people hand. Many matters they just dey play come be like say dis government, they no dey wan reason people wey dey peace loving. It's like they like to dey listen to people wey dey terrorize the nation. Many youths don come outside come react. Say e be like say everybody go soon turn to herdsmen, everybody go soon turn to terrorists, so that maybe federal government go dey listen to us. So why e be like say federal government dey listen to people wey dey talk small? Since our government, they won't take advantage of people wey dey talk small, especially those who dey for the southern part and the western part of the country. Okay, if they talk, somebody react to say, okay, when the Eastern Security Network come, federal government they talk say no, they say army to go dispatch them, will not call them. He said, but when they bring Ishba police for Kano State, federal government not talk anything. He said, why two laws go dey operate for one country? How one country go get two sets of laws? Another person don't come outside and say this thing no go work. Say this waka wey Chegumi waka, now it be good before, but when he come outside, they talk say, and these people don't know what they do. They want their own share of the national cake. How many Nigerians get access to the national cake? As a matter of fact, how many Nigerians if he access this so-called national cake? Not be the big men where they up the accessor. I will be the big men. Which part of the country they for come? May we even look away. 90% of the wealthy men where they enjoy the national cake of this country, they come from the north. Now very few now come from the south and the west and the east. So who they're supposed to go meet? They will find their own share of the national cake. Not the people they're supposed to go home. Why did they disturb other people for other parts of the country? So the matter, I'm not sure saying national cake be the issue. Chegumi never, he waka but he never really make in fact, make it go dig deep, make ask them. Say they not get clinic, they not get basic amenities, all those things, and now they vex there, now they annoy there. My country people, I bet man not talk this matter too much. May you say chook matter, chook your mouth inside this matter, chook your mouth put. How you reason this matter? It makes sense. As Kano State government, look Kano State governor reaction and look federal government reaction. Which one you like pass? The one where it say, may we listen to them, they talk better thing. I be the one where it say, this guy, he are not clean. Wanna go laugh for one corner first before you go to so come other akamuka join the talk the way they talk. You chook my for the matter, talk your own. And make you not forget, say this is still DJM TV daily news update, where would they always come to you with better story and gist them. I bet in case you never subscribe, may you do well to touch the subscribe button for there. See that way be like bear for the hand. That one there you have for this so here. Just touch her. When you touch her, anytime we drop news like this, you will be among the first set of people to know say better don't land for DJM TV channel. Well, until I come your way again with another edition of DJM TV daily news update. May you not forget say the person voice where you dey hear since so. Her name na Lauro Favor, where they report for DJM TV daily news update.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
These Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.